good.
It looks like chicken. It's crispy.
It smells good.
All right, there's the shrimps. We got shrimps going on here. I gotta put on the shirt.
Yeah.
Tony, dip the shrimp. Yeah.
I think it was
I
way
get
too.
tartar sauce. Tartar sauce in there.
We don't like tartar sauce,
No, all right.
but our dad does.
Mmm.
No doing.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you. It looks like chicken, guys.
It's crispy. It's hot too.
Oh, someone takes me too. Just going.
It tastes good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. So add some lemon. Is it good? Stop, Tony.
These are crushing. These are crushing.
Mmm.
Dang. Where's that lemon? Where's that lemon? Dang. This tastes so good. I can't even hear nobody. Right here.
I'm trying dad.
What's this? Dang. I'm gonna get us some water.
It's very spicy. Our sauce. I mean, even another crab.
Look.
Some scissors. She just went inside, upstairs. Not upstairs. In the kitchen to go get
Wait.
what? She went to go get some water. Hot. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna eat my crabs. So, first thing I do. I thought this was so sauce, boy.
You're not going to the boat.
Huh?
We need that boat.
This? For what? Sauce?
No, more crabs.
Oh, we get some more crabs, guys. So, it's gonna be popping and good. So, next video, we're gonna get a. We're not gonna spoil the next video. It's gonna be popping and good. So, yes.
So guys, we have no more water.
Yeah, we have in the garage. Just get some ice and a water bottle. Guys,
This in there.
and break it.
The bees in there.
It tastes so good, guys.
Bye.
I don't know what to say. I'm gonna treat some lemon. Dip in some sauce. And let's just go inside with some water. It tastes so good. It's so good. I'm trying to crack it. Oh, my dad bringing back some more crabs.
Yeah, we got a little shrimp this time though, but they said they got some big ones about this.
This is good.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
It's
I told your
crispy.
mama.
Yeah.
So we got these little
We got
bitches.
some lobsters,
Yeah, we got
tails.
lobsters.
I'm gonna try one. Yes, that's what to do. Oh, it's hot. Okay, I got it first. I did that on purpose so she would get it first. I'm gonna share with you, Judo.
Yeah, there's another one in there. It's in
Yeah.
the pot.
Come on,
Get back, Tony. Let me get you one.
It's the
You
shell.
gonna knock the phone over.
I'm gonna try to
Let's
open
dial
it. It's
Yeah.
very hot.
Look at the legs.
Look at it. Look
So
at that.
much legs.
Okay.
So guys, I'm gonna.
They're not
continue
legs, they're
with this.
fins.
I'm gonna continue with my other side. This one.
It's
You
hot.
break the shell, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you crack it open, pull the
This?
thing.
What this? Oh,
Yep.
You
I know
cut it
that.
down the middle. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. It just
Very
came
hot.
out.
that's right here.
Ooh,
Right?
that's
Ooh, it's
juice.
hot. Yeah, it's a lot of
Yeah,
meat.
do
The
this,
big
huh?
ones are like that
Look,
big.
guys,
They was
I
like that
opened
big.
mine.
Yeah, it's when
Look,
they
guys,
have.
I'm
We'll go.
Do you
You'll
see?
see
Did you
tomorrow.
see a
I'm gonna
king
come get
crab?
y'all.
That's
I'm gonna
mine.
show you. We gonna go.
Did you see a king crab? Thing.
There's no more.
No, they had just these, but they got them. They got mutated
wow.
lobsters. So,
I'm about to cut it in the middle because this is being so hot.
Look, big to me.
you know, you
Sorry,
what
poor
you mean.
lobster, but I'm about to eat you up.
Yeah.
It's hard to crack open.
that shrimps are good.
They're crispy. It tastes good.
Dad,
Hmm.
I still need to eat this.
Oh, look at that.
Some dip it,
I'm about to crack this shell open.
some lemon.
Want some lemon to me?
Good to hell.
There.
Listen was eating all our lemon up. He was
He
just
just
squeezing
eat
his
it.
mouth, yes.
Yeah, we might get some rain.
Yep, I heard thunder.
It's hot.
Look at that.
White.
Mm-hmm.
Did open.
They're really good.
It smells like crabs.
Let me smell. Yep. Wait, sorry, come here.
This was some sauce.
Okay, guys. Look how much meat I have. That's so much meat. Look, we see.
Mm-hmm.
I still got
It tastes good.
This.
Ooh. I'm just to get some water because I'm thirsty. You got one.
I need some too. I'm thirsty.
To be honest, that tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Now I'll eat
Really
one of
good.
the.
Shrimp is good.
It tastes good with some
That
lemon
lemon,
too.
yeah. And I don't
We didn't buy
even
some more
eat shrimp.
lemons.
Yeah, I need.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
We
don't.
got a
have-
whole bunch of snow crabs still there. Hey, David, here.
I'm trying to come here because he's missing the video and he's not about to miss out some crabs. Mama.
King in his shirt. I gotta go clean myself up.
He woke up.
No, none of that.
And he just woke him up. He'll go back to sleep.
Basically, do you eat the whole thing?
Falling off the damn bed.
Let me get him. He'll go back to sleep.
Not big.
He's not. You don't see his eyes wide open.
So, I'm about to get some more snow crabs. They're hot. But yeah, let's
Hey,
get
let me
some
open it
snow
for you.
crabs. Jenny got go bring the trash outside. Oh, right there. Look at that trash.
Yeah, go dump that.
Yeah, right there. Push your stuff inside. Yeah, dump it out with them. Because we have no more room for the crabs that we have. So I'm going to get the lemon. It's water.
No, not now. I'm taking that to work. That's supposed to be empty. That's all right. It's too late. Come on. I gotta wash that out. Here.
So,
All right.
okay, you don't have to put it on
Don't
the
put it
table.
out there. No, that's nasty.
That's not, yes. Okay, we can just
Just
put
put
it.
it in between. Right there.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna get some water because this is hot. I got it way closer.
Okay, so, yeah, I'm in the video. You're not even inside of the video.
I know because.
Okay, right now. Okay, perfect.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna take one of these crisps.
I got one of those.
I have two of them.
Okay, so I'm about to get some
I love the shrimp.
things.
That's
Some snow crabs.
Right here.
Yeah, that's the perfect spot. Okay, so we're gonna get some lemon. Get the lemon off the table, JJ. All this. That just felt means hot.
It's my third one. He right there.
We had more than 3.
No, done.
Yeah, you have 4.
Oh
Oh my.
my.
I'm gonna get the meat out.
Oh
'cause
my.
sometimes they use one of these tools to get them out.
Yeah, they better. They easy.
Yeah.
Push it out with that thing. Once you
Look at
break
that.
it, yeah, it come right out.
Okay.
Here I am.
The lemon tastes good.
Okay. The shrimp.
Next time we should make some lemon juice, like just pour it inside so that.
We do have lemon juice. This is like
No, it'd be inside the crab.
Yeah.
we have mom's lemon juice.
Yeah.
This is
Wait, we can't-
some chili.
So I'm trying to crack this
King.
open. Jada, these are not the. Where's the purple scissors? So these are not right scissors. These are for like, the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, go get the purple scissors.
Right, Tony, where you going?
Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna use the tool that we use. To get all, yeah, I told you to come out because he got. You still got more? Okay. It tastes good.
Yeah, them shrimps are good.
Tell him how you crack them open.
Well, I break the piece off like this.
Get the water.
You break that piece off. They got a crab cracker, but you know we old school, so we